Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Basit Muhammad, and in today's video, we're going to talk about prepositions pertaining to position, in, at, and on. Let's start with in. We use in to refer to something that is inside a place or an enclosed area. The preposition in is used to indicate that something or someone is physically inside or within a three-dimensional space, such as a room, building, or container. For example, in a room, in a building, in a box, in hand, in mouth, in a garden, in a town, in the city center, in a pool, in the sea, in a river. Here are some example sentences. I'm in a room right now. The book is in the box. The ball is in your hand. The fish is in the river. Next, we have at. We use the preposition at to indicate a specific point or location. It can be used to refer to a physical location or a point in time. For example, at the bus stop, at the door, at the window, at the roundabout, at the traffic lights, at the desk, at the church, at the next stop, at reception. Here are some example sentences. I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. She's standing at the door. He stood at the window, moodily staring out. You need to turn left at the roundabout. Let's compare in and at in a few examples. There were a lot of people in the shop. Go along this road, then turn left at the shop. I'll meet you in the hotel lobby. I'll meet you at the entrance to the hotel. Moving on to on. We use on to refer to something that is physically touching the surface of another object. The preposition on is used to indicate that something or someone is in contact with a surface or object, such as a wall, table, or page. For example, on the wall, on the door, on the ceiling, on the floor, on the table, on her nose, on a page, on an island. Here are some example sentences. The picture is on the wall. The spider is on the ceiling. There's a scratch on the door. The cup is on the table. Let's compare in and on in a few examples. There is some water in the bottle. There is a label on the bottle. The cat is in the box. The cat is on the box. Lastly, let's compare at and on in a few examples. There is somebody at the door. There is a notice on the door. I'm at the table. There's a book on the table. And that's it for today's video on prepositions pertaining to position, in, at, and on. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.